When alerting authorities need to practice and gain confidence sending emergency alerts to the public using IPAWS, they visit the IPAWS Technical Support Services facility for hands-on training and exercises. All IPAWS alerting authorities are required to send a monthly proficiency test message to the TSSF environment. This process can feel routine, so come to the TSSF where we host a closed, end-to-end IPAWS environment capable of alert creation and dissemination to all IPAWS pathways. Here, our scenario-based monthly proficiency demonstrations provide a much more interesting hands-on alternative. Debrief with us and ask questions about your decision-making processes and identify gaps in internal policies and procedures. Scenario-based MPDs are a situation followed by 4 to 5 applicable questions that are similar to many tabletop exercises. Questions such as, what information do you want to release to the public? What event codes would you use based off your permissions? And social media is streaming inaccurate information. How would you counter this? Also available at the TSSF is tabletop exercise training for alerting authorities looking to further hone their skills and provide the most effective support for their communities. In it, you will be introduced to several elaborate scenarios tailored to your agency's alerting environment and asked to respond using an IPAWS alert. These scenarios are flexible, scalable, and adaptable so that in the future, no emergency will be too much to handle. Here is a sample of a scenario you may encounter at the TSSF. It is late summer, and for the past 3 days, it has been raining heavily, averaging 2.6 inches of rain each 24-hour period. The areas near blank have a history of flooding. Residents are starting to ask questions about the rising rivers and lake levels, many asking if they should leave their homes. How would you respond? For extreme weather, missing persons, power outages, or any other emergencies in your area, the IPAWS TSSF has the tools and expertise to assist with your IPAWS broadcasting needs.